Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you a very simple makeup look. It's a very soft makeup look again, and yeah, I have seen this look quite a bit on the internet, so let's get started. But first let's moisturize. Once you have moisturized your face, let's go and conceal our eyelids. Now in this palette I have both the colors. So this is the creamish white color which I will be using, and this is the brown color that I'll be using. So first let's go in with this brown color, and I'll be adding this on the outer corner and on my crease line. You don't want this very dark because this is supposed to be a very light makeup look. This is a cream color, it's matte cream. So I'm taking this and I'll be adding this on my inner corner. I'm going back in with the same brown color. Now I am not going to put an eyeliner on this look just because, no reason. You can put an eyeliner, I am not putting. I am going to go ahead and conceal my under eyes. Now I'm going to go in and take my concealer and just add that. Let's just set our under eyes. Let's go in with our foundation. Wherever I go to, I will always come back to this brush. It is honestly the best way to apply foundation, at least that's what I feel. Like, I have tried I keep trying the Beauty Blender again and again just because I have I feel like a Beauty Blender is supposed to be much better. Like, the Beauty Blender is supposed to be perfect for some reason, and every time I use Beauty Blender I can't help but think I wish I had this brush. So I'm taking some setting powder and I'm just setting the foundation. Let me also fill in my eyebrows a little bit. I'm not filling them too much. Okay, I've just filled them very lightly. Now let's just do our lashes. I'm kind of digging this look, guys. I'm kind of loving this look. Now, since this look has a very nude and a very natural look to it, I am going to use this very light pink, nude pink sort of. It looks so good. I think the only thing this look needs is some highlighter. This look is demanding some highlight out of me. And this is the look. I think it's a very chilled out and a very I don't love makeup, but I look bomb. And I don't know, it's just beautiful. Let me know if you like soft glam or neutrals or nude makeup looks more, or you all like the more smoky eye type looks more. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. And also, if you're watching this video, please let me know in the comments below, because I don't know who's really watching the videos. So it'd be good to know who's watching. And yeah, please comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share it with your friends and family, whoever you think would enjoy watching this. Till then, bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next video.